Dear students, today I will discuss about equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. What is the equality of matrices? When two matrices are equal each other, that is known as the equality of matrices. Suppose matrix A is equal to Aij of m cross n order, and matrix B is equal to Bij of m cross n order. Suppose matrix A is equal to matrix B. If A is equal to B, then always remind it Aij is equal to Bij, and also for all value of I is equal to 1, 2, m, and j is equal to 1, 2, n. What is this meaning? Suppose A is a matrix of Aij of n cross n order, and B is another matrix of Bij is equal to m cross n order, where I and j identified to their rows and columns. If rows and columns of the two given matrices are equal each other, in that case two matrices are equal. Just like this, suppose A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. That means 2 cross 2 order of matrix. B is another matrix which value is equal to B11, B12, B21 and B22. That is equal to also 2 cross 2 order of matrices. When A is equal to B, in this case I mean Ia, Ij, that means A to 2, B is equal to also B to 2. Both are 2 cross 2 order of matrices, where both of M and N are equal each other. In that case, when two matrices are equal each other, if A is equal to B, we know that Aij is equal to Bij. All the value of Aij, just like this. Suppose A is a matrix known as A plus B, A minus B. Then another is equal to, suppose 2A and B say. Matrix B is equal to, suppose 12, 6, 18 and 3 say. Just like this. If two matrices are equal each other, find the value of A, B, and or find the value of the position of different section of entries in matrix A. If A matrix is equal to B matrix, this is equal to A11, this is equal to A12. According to our definition, Aij is equal to Bij. So this value is equal to B11 and B12. Dear student, clear? Definition कहती that is equal to A11 is equal to B11. So Aij is equal to Bij. So this position is equal to A11, Aij and Aij. This is equal to Bij and Bij are equal each other. So A plus B is equal to 12. A minus B is equal to 6. Solving two equations we get this is cancel each other. So 2A is equal to 18. A is equal to 9. If A is equal to, dear students, 9, so this position is equal to this position, that is equal to A12 is equal to B12. So A minus B is equal to 6. If A is equal to 9, so 9 minus 6 is equal to 6. 9 minus B is equal to 6 implies that B is equal to 3. If A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 6, then we satisfy that A plus B is equal to 12 and A minus B is equal to 6. Another position is this, that is equal to 2A, that is equal to 18 obviously, and B is equal to 3. We satisfy to the values of A and B. If A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 3, then two matrices A and B are equal each other. This is equal to matrix B. Aij is equal to Bij. According to our definition, when two matrices are equal each other, what happens in this case? If Aij is equal to Bij, and for all value of I is equal to 1, 2 up to m, and B j value is equal to also 1, 2 up to n. This is the equality of a true matrices. Then your singular and a non-singular matrices. Second case, your singular and non-singular singular and a non-singular matrices. What is singular matrices? Suppose matrix A is equal to 2, 6, 3, 9. This is a 2 cross 2 order of matrices. If product of 2, 9 minus this or dead value, this value known as the dead value of the given matrix, cross product of 2, 9, 3, 6. So that is equal to 2 into 9 minus 3 into 6 is equal to, this is equal to 18 minus 18. This value is equal to 0. If dead value of a given matrix is equal to 0, then that type of matrix known as the singular matrix. If in this case dead A not equal to 0, that is equal to non-singular matrix. So that for singular matrix, if any square matrix, this is also square matrix. So if rows and columns are equal each other, if M is equal to N, that kinds of matrix known as a square matrix. If any square matrix which dead value is equal to 0, that is a singular matrix. But when that value not equal to 0, that is a non-singular matrix. Just like this, suppose A is a matrix 4, 3, 2, 1. These kinds of matrix is equal to det A cross product of 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1, that is equal to 4 minus 3, which is not equal to 0. So that this kinds of matrix known as the non-singular matrices. So that this is the only 2 cross 2 order matrix. But when I will discuss about the minor and the cofactor value, I can define the det value of a 3 order by 3 cross 3 order of square matrices. Up to that, according to this, try to solve an example. If a matrix A is equal to 2x minus 2x 3 and 4 1 is a singular matrix, is a singular matrix, find value of x. Dear students, suppose this matrix belongs to a singular matrix. Find the value of x if that is a singular matrix. According to our definition, that value of the given square matrix is equal to 0. That must be a singular matrix. What is the that value? Now mod of this is equal to cross product of 2x into 1 minus 4 into 3 is equal to 2x minus 4 into 3 is equal to 0. Given that this is a singular matrix, to solve that or find out the value of it, in which case that is the value of, x that indicates to a singular matrix. So if that value is equal to 0, then mod of this is equal to 2x into 1, that means 2x minus 4 into 3 is equal to 0. That implies that 2x minus 12 is equal to 0, and imply that 2x is equal to 12, and imply that ax is equal to 6. If x is equal to 6, we satisfy that this arrangement must be a singular matrix. When you will put the value of x is equal to 6, that is equal to 2 into 6, that means 12, 3, 4, 1. Then that value of this given matrix 12 into 1 minus 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. This kind of matrix is equal to known as a singular matrix if the det value is equal to not equal to 0. That must be a non-singular matrices. Right? Then next class I will discuss about addition and subtraction of matrices. Goodbye.